So we were recently contacted by one of the world's, if the not world's, largest manufacturer of glass. They came to us and they said, Lincoln Associates, how in the world does one air condition 800,000 square feet? This isn't like, your basement. So we're gonna use a piece of equipment known as air rotation with cooling. Those devices, those air handlers sit in the space, and they have filters on them, they have coils on them, they can have heaters on them. What we found that makes this type of solution way more unique than other types of designs are as follows. So with the air rotation system, there's no need for expensive ductwork. Ductwork costs a lot of money, it has a lot of design that has to go along with it. We all know that ductwork over time can get moldy and fungus and sick building syndrome, so no ductwork on the air rotation systems. The units are located inside the facility, so from a life cycle standpoint, the equipment tends to last a lot longer than if it were on the roof. Also, because it's inside the air rotation units, they're much more likely to get maintained. They are in front of the maintenance staff. They can see when the filters are dirty. They can see if one of the pipes is not, or valve is not acting correctly. So we see that they're maintained better and their bearings are greased and that kind of thing. They're also very flexible in how we design and apply them. For instance, in this particular facility, there's both a temperature and a humidity requirement. So we look at the coil designs, we look at the flow of the water, and we pick pumps, air handlers, chillers, cooling towers, so that it matches that specific application. So this particular facility may require 78 degrees and 60% relative humidity, where we may have another customer, for instance, in the plastics business, that requires 72 degrees and 40% relative humidity. Those are very different conditions, but with good, solid air rotation for large open volume spaces, Lincoln Associates can hand you a successful project.